Hi, today I'm starting to create a new pattern and I want to make a sketch on a scale 1 to 1. I have already made my sample swatch and it has approximately 25 stitches in 10 centimeters. So ordinary notebook sheet isn't good because 5mm cells are too big. So I will show you how to print grade paper using Stitch Fiddle program. So let's see what can we do in a free version. First, create a new empty chart. It doesn't matter if you choose crochet or cross stitch. I will use size calculator. As I told Coach, is 25.5 stitches in 10 centimeters. My project will be a square 49 centimeters. I will need 125 stitches. Click on File, Chart Settings. In a free version, we cannot change the grid lines. We can only change the direction. Now I can download this empty chart. As a file type, I will choose PDF used for printing. You cannot change margins. In a free version, it will stay 1 inch. I need no legend. Size drop down. Here we can only custom number of pages. I will choose 12 pages just to show what will come of it. Now I can download the file. I print one page to check how big are the cells. The cells are too big because the system stretched 125 cells into 4 pages, so I have 32 cells on each page. I'm going to change it and I will start from the very beginning. Create new chart again. Don't use size calculator, use ordinary calculator on your computer. First define the size of cells. Divide 100 mm into number of stitches. 3.9 mm is the right size. Define how many stitches horizontally you will need. An A4 sheet is 210 mm wide. You remember the margins are 1 inch, but in reality two margins are minimum 60 mm horizontally and 72 mm vertically. So our field is 150 mm wide, divided into cell size. So we will need 38 columns on each page. 3 pages will be not enough. You remember I need minimum 125 stitches for my project. That means 4 pages horizontally, 152 columns. Number of rows can stay 125. So I created a file, change the direction and go immediately to the download. Now I know exactly that I have to choose 4 pages horizontally. I can check if 3 pages vertically are enough. 297 mm is an A4 sheet length minus 72 mm margins divided into a cell size. The system can place maximum 57 cells vertically. That means 3 pages vertically are enough. Now it's okay. I have a needed cell size. Now let's see what can we do in the paid version. We can use size calculator and create an exact file. Go to chart settings. I will call it sample. Here we can change our grid lines. I choose best for printing and go to download. Here we can also change margin size. I don't want to make this video very complicated, so I return the settings back. In this version you can also custom stitch count. You remember 38 cells horizontally. It's important. The system count needed number of pages automatically. Now I can print all pages and stick them together. Now I have big space for creativity. Like this video if it was useful for you, and thanks for watching. Bye.